guys, I'm Christian. Just wanted to make a quick video about the application I developed, or well, still developing, still finishing, but it's pretty much 80% done. All that is left is my finishing my speed trading, which is day trading, and then finishing the data analysis and some stuff that I want to add to it. But pretty much after you log in into the E-Trade, using their API, I'm able to place orders, calculate data, calculate stop losses, things like that. So the application manage the trade. So pretty much it's just you buy the stock, and the application places stop losses and also moves stop losses around based on timers, right? If 30 minutes nothing has happened, it will reduce the risk or save profit, depending the case. If uh, if the stop hits R1, it will move the stop to even. If it hits R2, it will move the stop to R1, so forth, right? It doesn't sell automatically. It just save the profit automatically, right? So if I'm in a meeting or developing other software, right? My company is an engineering company. We develop products. So if I'm working or I'm in a meeting, then I can place an order and then just let the system work, right? So that's how this started, right? But then I started developing this speed trading, which is pretty much day trading, but it has a lot of shortcuts, so you don't have to type a lot. It's very fast. That's the idea. And this one is more, I'm gonna leave it. It started as an auto trading because the whole thing is automatic, but I'm gonna leave it as a swing trading. So right now I'm testing some techniques, some strategies on the swing trading. These two right here are swing traders. That's why they're still open. This one's right here are my today tradings. My risk is 50 right now. It wasn't a bad day, but it wasn't that good. The only one that pissed me off was this one right here because it went all the way up to 90, almost R2, almost hit R2. And then I went back to work for like 5 minutes, and when I turned around, it was back in zero. Yeah, I was like, what? So then I was like, I'm not gonna make it a loser, so I sold it, and you know, it's not really a loser, it's just $3, right? But whatever. So, anyways, that's besides the point. Eventually, I wanna make videos about my trades. I am a member of the bulltraders.com. So I pay the full membership, and I listen to them and in the mornings and all that stuff. Good thing about this, like in the active trades, if you click the order, right, it populates the order here, so you can jump to even or jump to R1, R2, R3, and then you hit change, and it will do that. If you click on the actual record line, it will also do the same. So it's a quick way to change things, to modify things, to customize things, right? You can use it as a calculator, right? So it calculates your, uh, how many shares you had to buy, or also based on the quantity, where do you have to place your stop loss. So it can go those both ways. This calculates quantity, and this is the opposite, calculates risk. So based on a quantity and a buy price, it will calculate what's your stop loss, and it will calculate R1, R2, R3, and blah blah blah. It's all the same. Now, speed trading, this is the one I'm developing right now. So right now I can buy, but I cannot sell. And I can buy multiple, and it's gonna be a little different technique than the swing trading. So like I say, it's shortcut, right? So there's no calculation here, right? Here's the spread, and I'm gonna make this table bigger. So if my spread is 40 cents, meaning the difference between the stop price and the buy price is 40 cents or close to 40 cents, I can say, okay, I need to buy 250. So I click that, and it populates this guy right here. All I gotta put is the symbol, and specify a price type, and put the price. That's when you have time. But let's say you don't have time, so all you can do is you just put the symbol, and then you can click 100, and it will buy 100 to that price, 200, 350. Based on your spread, here's your risk, right? You can change the risk. This thing changes based on the risk. As you can see, the changes and so forth. If you want to go short, then everything is color coded, so it changes depending on that. You can test the short, meaning it tests to see if you can actually do shorts. This tell me that this particular symbol can do shorts, so I'm good to go. Um, that's it. That's about it. Um, this is like I say, the buying is finished, but not the sell. And this like price is a technique, a strategy that I have that I'm gonna implement. And then we had data analysis, and that's not done yet. But pretty much I've been trading for the last for some months already, and it's looking good. It's looking good. So that's it. That's the application. Well, by the way, here's the pricings and the date, the time, log out, all that stuff. You can change, colors, some colors that I kind of this is not important, but whatever. And then you can do some backup. You can back up the data on the data on a different file. So if you lose the data on the database, you can recover all the data, right? So all you have to do is click it, and it's pretty much just a batch file script that saves. It just saves the data. That's all it does. Anyways, that's it. So I'm probably gonna make more videos about my trades and also maybe start talking more about what full strategy is, what's partial strategy, shortcuts, things like that. All right, that's it for now.